we'll be looking at animals you may not know that they share more in common with humans. In no particular order, they are: Number 1, Gibbons. Gibbons are not as intelligent as the apes. Despite being members of the Hominoidae family, these creatures evolved the arms and shoulders that today enable them to swing between trees with ease around 4 million years ago. One remarkable study found that at least 26 noises made by gibbons are similar to songs that the earliest humans sang 1.8 million years ago. Number 2, monkeys. At the latest count, more than 260 species fit the criteria of a monkey. Many parts of our brain that govern our mental processes are identical to those of monkeys, according to research published last year. In fact, some of the most comparable regions are those that contribute to OCD and drug misuse. Number 3, lemurs. Although you may have heard that these guys like to move things around, did you also realize that they are primates like us? Okay, not exactly like us, but similar enough that we most likely shared an ancestor with lorises and eyes. Sadly, more than 70% of all lemur species are currently in danger of extinction, with humans being one of the main causes. Number 4, cats. Given that they are presumably our greatest friends, you probably imagined that dogs and humans were a little more closely related on the evolutionary spectrum. In fact, cats and humans have 90% of the same genes. They might have deliberately entered our homes as well. According to available evidence, these individuals self-domesticated more than 10,000 years ago by assisting farmers in exchange for a little additional shelter and food. 5. Cows. That's correct. Cows and humans are linked. Despite sharing a more recent ancestor with rodents, we share more genomes with these stunning, large creatures. According to research, they hypothesize that it is because rodents and smaller animals in general breed more quickly, causing evolution to occur more quickly. Number 6, chimpanzees. Chimpanzees and humans share between 98.6 and 99% of our DNA, according to a 2005 study. They are more similar to people than gorillas are. Surprisingly, female chimpanzees also follow a reproductive cycle comparable to that of humans, with the majority maturing sexually soon before or during adolescence. Additionally, they have a gestation period of roughly 8 months. Number 7, bonobos. We didn't understand that bonobos and chimpanzees differ relatively slightly until 2012. In actuality, 99.6% of their DNA is shared by the two. According to the genomic sequence, they are almost as similar to humans as chimpanzees, between 4 and 7 million years ago. According to researchers, the three of us began to diverge on the evolutionary route. The most sensitive apes, bonobos, control their emotions in a similar fashion to how we do. Number 8, gorillas. We are also more closely related to gorillas than chimpanzees are to gorillas, despite what looks might lead one to believe. We are genetically identical to these magnificent creatures in 98% of the sequence. According to scientists, the separation between humans and our relatives the gorillas occurred roughly 10 million years ago. Fun fact, they also discovered that gorillas do not develop disorders like dementia from specific shared genes in our DNA. Number 9, orangutans. The lovable orangutans, who share 97% of their DNA with humans, are located a little further down the family tree. It turns out that male orangutans enjoy making exaggerated displays of pretty stubborn Guaya syndrome before a fight by leaping about and smashing items. It's the standard try me you'll see act. Much like male humans, we believe. Please, like and subscribe. Press the notification bell to be notified about our latest updates. Thanks for listening and watching.